going to show you how to replace the belt on this, what is this, a Bison, yeah, or a Bissell Power Force, but it's all going to be the same for pretty much any of these types of vacuum cleaners. Yeah, we're going to replace the belt real quick. So I already took the screws off, but what you do is you get a screwdriver and you take off all the screws that are here. All of that. I think there's what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 screws. Once you do that, you pop this off. There's the belt. I already replaced mine, but I'll show you guys how to do it real quick. Alright, so I took the little brush off. Right in here, there's going to be that little metal hook. So you need to feed the belt through that hook so that it looks like this. Alright. Then if you look at your brush, one side is going to have the little the little bristles and stuff. But the other side, there's a section where it doesn't. Right there, the smooth part. So you just put the belt over this. Now you're going to have to do a little bit of tension because the belt's going to want to stretch. But you need to put these notches in these slots right here. And then that's pretty much it. Alright, so I had to go ahead and just pop it on. I couldn't do it with one hand because obviously the belt's trying to tighten there. But all I did was just pop them in. And you're done. The new belt is on. This thing will spin. Belt will spin. Everything is good. Now you just put your little plastic cover back on. Screw it back in and you're done. Hope that was easy.